Hi, everyone. This is Jee Sifu from Tree Nature and Tin Yat Dragon Taoism channel. I am back and Happy New Year, everyone. This marks the New Year. Well, right now, maybe for people on the other side of the globe, but soon, okay? 29 is the Chinese New Year, Year of the Green Snake. So, Happy New Year, everyone. 恭喜發財. Now, what's so special about this year's energy? The year's energy, the energy from nature, right? We got to look at the heavenly stems and the earthling branches, what they represent and what they tell us about the energy properties. If you want to flow with nature's energy and make use of this to leverage against the normal people who doesn't use this energy, you need to listen. Do these things. Focus on these things this year. Okay? Based on the heavenly stems, which set the potentials, the future, things like that. In nature, it's telling us that this year there are new potentials. New potentials, meaning like new ideas. You have to go and discover. You have to go search, look for new things. What is new things? Remember, that's something that you do not have, something that you have not thought of yet. So go out and do research. Look for new ideas in life. For example, I never did stock investment. I will try that and see what I can find this year. Go around and look. But, there's a but, do not decide yet. Do not take action yet. Okay? It's a year for you to look and shop around. Secondly, the earthling branches. This year is a good year for thinking, breaking down information, and not to make decision yet. It's a great time to think internally. So focus on grouping things and then eliminating what you don't need and just focus on a group of stuff. Break down, and break down. Analyzing. Right? This year is good to analyze, fine-tune the stuff that you already have in mind. But don't be too quick or rushing to make decision or launching anything important. Okay? So if you want to make use of the energy this year, this is what you need to know. Secondly is the Fan Tai Sui issue. Everyone talks about Fan Tai Sui. Pig, monkey, tiger, the three animals that are in the list this year. If you fall into the Fan Tai Sui, especially if your birth year, month, day, and time all have these elements, then you'll be impacted heavily by this issue. Fan Tai Sui translates to your own spiritual planetary body not being able to give you the help. So it's like your potentials are being stuck on the other side, on the pre-heaven side, and not be able to deliver to you. It's kind of like our Canada Post on strike. It's not coming. The package is stuck. And we are then in trouble. So how do we deal with that? For Taoists, we use a Fu talisman. You carry that with you. And what it does is that, well, since this power source, your spiritual planetary body, have issue delivering to you, the Fu talisman connects you to a second power source over there. And this is our lineage reserve power. So this bunch of pre-heaven energy that we cultivated in the lineage is now a supply to you. So now you have the potentials again. Hey, you see? So that's what we can do for you. You can get a full talisman from our website. Now, how to spot that the Fan Tai Sui is really kicking in for you this year? Problems will occur in the first few months already. So starting on like today, maybe 2-3 months, observe if you always have these issues, you're properly on the list. First, the focus. You have issue focusing. Secondly, no ideas. When you try to think, there's always no idea, blanking out. And lack of motivation. Lack of motivation, like, oh, I'm kind of like down. Can't really pick up to work. Right? Like, you just feel down. Lack of energy. And number 4 is you try to do things, but you always do the wrong thing. And number 5 is you did a lot and you output your time, energy, and the fruit is being stolen. Or maybe someone always steal your things. So pay attention if you have these things happening all the time. The pattern is telling you you're on the list. Get a fu and save yourself. Okay, and lastly, I want to announce that I have posted a Feng Shui fortune guide on my website, tinyatdragon.com. You can go there and take a look, read over, and follow the guide to make use of that part to enhance your luck, enhance your energy for the year. It's free to do. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll be posting more lessons starting from now. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.